Ngokusho koMnyango Wezemfundo eGauteng, zingaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-300 izicelo zokubhalisela ukufunda ngonyaka ozayo zabafundi baka-Grade 1 no-Grade 8 ozitholile. Kepha kulezo zicelo kukhona ezinemniningwane engaphelele.
We have placed all the completed applications. Completed. When you are incomplete, we didn't place you.
Uchilwane unxuse abazali ukuba baqhubeke nokufaka izicelo njengoba bezonikwa ithuba lokugcina kusuka ngoLwesithathu kuya mhla zingama-30 kuMasingana wonyaka ozayo.
They are only going to choose schools that are available. Not choose a school and run to the district. Because that's what they've been doing. They choose a school and then they go into the district to go and form a queue and talk about schools they didn't choose.
Kusenjalo, uChelwane ubuye waphawula nangezivinyo zikamatikuletsheni njengoba kwezinye izikole kukhona abafundi okubikwe ukuthi batholakale nomakhalekhukhwini nezimbuzi ngesikhathi kuqhubeka ukubhalwa kwezivivinyo. Uthi lokhu angeke kube nomthelela emphumeleni kamatikuletsheni ezodedelwa nguMasingana.
None of those incidences really affected the overall integrity of the examination in any way, because we were able to apprehend them immediately and took those learners through a due process of disciplinary hearings.
Imphumela kamatikuletsheni kulindeleke ukuthi idedelwe mhla ziyi-13 kuMasingana.